back to Soulcreative. This is Sarah. I'm here to share two journals with you guys. These journals were created using Vintage Rose by Teal and Tattered, Martina. And yeah, so I will jump right into them. These are hardcover journals. They measure 4 3/4 by 8 1/8 with a 1 1/2 inch spine. And they both are the same. One is kind of like a teal pink, and then this one's more pink, cream, and gold. And then this one is the roses on it with the teal in the background. Yeah. So we will look at this one, and then I will come back and show you the other one. So on the front, I used a piece of the ephemera, and it is there's a tuck spot back in the back holding a tag, and then this will flip up and it's holding this little tag, and I put one of those paperclip tabs on the top of it, and then here's the tag inside. And then you can put a tag right there as well. And then this flips open, and I have a pocket there, and you have a little tuck spot behind this flower as well. And I'll have listed in the description box below all of the products that I used, also the digitals that I used. So here's a pocket here, there, and there. And a pocket here, and a little pocket there. This also flips up, and there's a pocket there. And then that shuts up, and then there's a little dragonfly charm hanging from the front there. There's some beads hanging from the inside signatures. These are 2 signatures. These are held on with coffee dyed strips of fabric. So inside, you open it up, and you have one of these tuck spots with one of the pockets on the front. That was a tutorial from Gayle Agostinelli, and I just put some journaling cards in there. So you can open it up. I enforced some of the spine with some washi, and then you open it this way and you can journal inside. I put a pocket on the front here with a couple of tags, and then there's a couple of these labels in the front here. And then I just have it shut with a paper clip. And then back here I have digitals that look like vintage linens. And I just made a little envelope journaling spot. You just wrap around that, and it gets tucked in here. And that has a dragonfly charm hanging from it. These are, there's 2 signatures. I think I just said that. So you open it up. Aren't these digitals beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. So inside I have a belly band, one of these linen little envelopes, and then I got a tag here on the front, and then this is a belly band, but it also flips open and has little notebook inside. And then you close that, and this digital opens up. These are, I think they are, I will link them below who that is. But then this is just a little tag tuck, and I put one of these wishful thinking note papers in there with the roses on it. Coffee dye paper, some washi stickers, book page with a tuck spot and a pocket. These are backed with Roxy Creations digital. Her background papers. That is Nick the Booksmith. Another one of these little rose notebook papers. This is using, the digitals are backed with, can't think of her name. You'll either see it pop up on the screen or I will mention it below. So then both these journals have, one might be sewed in, I think the other one's sewn in, but this one is an envelope and you have a tuck spot here, you can journal inside here, then you have a tag here that has a notebook here, so it's just papers, a paper cluster on here. You could either journal on those or you could tear a piece off and use it as collage paper. So they all get back together, and I just keep the paper clip on it just to secure it. These are magnetic, so it does go back into place. I have a pocket down here holding a little tag, and that helps keep it in place as well. And then on this side, this pocket has a Velcro closure, and then I have a floral digital, a vellum pocket. You could journal on that. This flips open. It also has 3 pockets on that with a couple mini tags. This is a big tuck spot with a little butterfly at the top. Then this is a vellum pocket right there. So that's just tucked inside here. And then here on the front of this one, I made a belly band right here. And I have this little notepad that looks like a tag shaped notepad on the back. And it just has a little cluster of papers, and that just hangs on the belly band. And then I put a little tab at the bottom here just to tuck it in, just to hold it, to secure it. There's a charm, and I added a tab at the back or on the belly band just to add a charm to it and add a tab. There's a tuck spot here. Vintage linen printable. Some washi stickers. Middle of the signature. More washi stickers. Tag, and then this flips out. Another tag. And then here, this paper clip. This just folds down and you can journal on it. It's a journaling card from the kit. And then I just have it clipped back up there. Then on the other side, I left a piece on there, flipped it up, made it look like a tag tuck. I just thought that was a cute idea. Took it out of some leftover scrap. Another scrap I made a tag out of. And then here's another journaling card. I just stenciled on the back of it. And then this is a tab I made to look like a tag. And then on this side, it is the tag. I made it to where it flips up and you can journal underneath there. Back here, I have a pocket or an envelope I made out of, I'm pretty sure this was Roxy Creations freebie, and I just made a little envelope out of it and clipped on a flower paper clip. And then that gets tucked back there with a little tag. And then I made another one of these file folder little pockets. And you can get the tutorial I'll list below. Melinda's channel, Scrap Busters. She made these. I just added a pocket on the front. And then there is a journaling card on the side. Super cute. And yeah, so that's this one. And then pretty similar. So then this is the teal one. Has this image on the front. Flips up. Has the butterfly charm on it with the tag. This one flips out. Has this floral on there. And a tag there. Tag there. Same pockets. This one has a pocket there too. I got this tag on the back of this one. And then this one opens up. I don't know if I showed you the back of them or not. Very pretty. That's Prima paper. I'm not positive of what collection, but it was a beautiful collection. Got this pocket there with the envelope. That's the front of the signature. This one, instead of a belly band, it's just a pocket, and it also opens up. I used an old book page, and then I have an envelope in there as well. And then this one is sewn into the signature, so instead of being a floating envelope, this whole pocket flips down, and then I have a tuck spot there. Opens up, you can journal inside there, and then on this side you can journal here. coffee dyed paper. Love this paper. And then I made a tuck spot there with a tag. Made it look like a tag tuck. And then added these inside the pocket here. And they just get clipped on the side here. And then on the other side, I have that pocket tuck here. And then on this side, I also have that little notebook. And it holds shut there. And then I have a tag with a couple labels in there. And then on this belly band, this one's a little different. You have your notepad, but I also made this belly band open so you can journal underneath. And then you still have the tuck spot to tuck the tag booklet on top with the tab holding it shut. And then on the other side here, I have this flip down. And it's a tag looking little pocket. That's magnetic. Another piece of that paper. Beautiful. Here's that flip up tag with the tag tab. And I hung a charm from that. And then this one has a floating envelope with a tuck spot and then a pocket on the back. And then you have your envelope. I'm all over the place. Got a envelope there. And then your file folder flip down. So that envelope just hangs out in the back here. Could actually just clip it on here for you. And then if you want to move it, you can move it. So yeah, then that is just tied shut with some strips of coffee dyed fabric. And then that's that little journal. So I got two more of the rose journals. These ones are around probably traveler's notebook size, maybe just a hair smaller, maybe a little bit wider. And then I have full-size journals coming up using the same kit. So until then, I will be back with another video, but and then till then, I will see you when I see ya. Later.